Good morning. It is Monday morning yet again. We have a Rover 75, I believe, the saloon V8 outside. I've had to get the canopy out. It is currently 9:43 a.m. and it's 25 degrees. It's gonna hit 31. So I'm gonna just crack on with everything outside. I'm not gonna bother recording it because it's just too hot. I'm just gonna get frustrated. I can guarantee it. Our weather here is just unreasonable. It's just too hot. I'm already sweating and I've not even got wheels off yet. So yeah, I'll crack on. Once it's deconned and prepped, I'll pull it in and then I'll go around it with you and just to see what we're doing and go from there. So I've got the MG V8 in. It is deconned, washed, arches cleaned out. I've just taken the wheels off for refurbishment. I deemed them too far gone to do anything with them. Rang the customer, got him to agree to getting the wheels done because it's the only thing that's going to let the car down once we've done our bit. I am currently stripping the brakes down, ready for primer. We're going to paint them a darkish blue, if I remember right. Is it that colour? Oh, that one. This colour. So it's like a metallic blue. It's quite light. So as you can see, the brakes need a bit of TLC. Back one's not so bad, but we are going to paint them anyway. They are the AP Racing. So yeah, we're going to crack on, get them prepped today. Hopefully primer today as well, and then potentially tomorrow, depending on how many hours we've got left in the day. It is stupidly warm, currently 31 degrees, and it's only 1 p.m. So we're battling the heat. The aircon is on, trying to get this place down in temperature. It's currently 25 in here, so yeah, look forward to this one being done.